Hey everyone, welcome back to day 10 of my RevenueCat Shipaton journey. So today I have some updates for you. Today I had a very fruitful conversation with one of my professor from my college days. So we had a quite interaction talking about the hackathon and also what I'm building. So it went well. And today I also have an iPhone with me. So I have installed my app in the iOS device. So let's check that out. Before that, I have posted something on Threads and LinkedIn. So I have posted on Threads and LinkedIn saying that I wanted a change of name to my app. So if you have any ideas for naming my app better, you can please let me know in the comments. So already I think two of them have already given me some app naming ideas. Rihan and Manohar have given some ideas for the app. So let us stay connected and let's get more ideas. So I'll keep this for 2 more days. Let's see if more app names can come in. Let's pick the best out of them. Let's see that. And for the backend, I wanted to start integration of the backend. So I thought I'll start with some other stack than what I use usually AWS. So I wanted to try out something like Superbase or Firebase for backend. So I think there is some issues with Superbase. So I dropped the plan. I'm again back sticking to AWS. So my plan for AWS is that authentication with Cognito. So I'll use with Google sign in and Apple ID sign in. I'll use Cognito for that. And instead of REST APIs, I'll try to use GraphQL APIs with the help of a service called AppSync. So it is a GraphQL endpoint, and it will be one endpoint for all the APIs. So I'll try out AppSync for that. Then I'll be writing all my business logic and the backend logics in the Lambda functions. So we'll write with there is a Node.js in Lambda functions, so we'll be using Node.js Lambda functions for writing. The database we prefer DynamoDB. It is an NoSQL database, so we'll use uh, DynamoDB for the database, and we'll also use the, if required, we'll also use S3 for storage, which is simple storage service, where we can store if any large amount of data, large big files should be stored. Uh, let's see how we can build it. So we'll start building the backend from tomorrow, I guess, and we'll check the issues what I faced with the app. Uh, we'll check what is happening with the iOS device. Let's see that. So yes, I have installed the app on an iPhone SE. So I think that is the icon which I wanted to change. The app logo which I had to change was a default logo. I guess there is no logo in this. So what I can see in this that everything looks the same as what it was earlier. Same as the Android, 100% charge. Uh, these were all working, and here I could see the barometer working up here. So I will work on the iOS device for working on barometer. So barometer was not available on my phone, it is available on this iOS device. So I will try to integrate this with the app. And I think gyrometer also have some issues on the Android phone as well. It is not detecting the faults properly. Like what can I say? Like 2 out of 5 times I get a proper response. Not every time I'm getting a proper response, so I will have to fine tune that. So some challenges which I'm facing, then I will also start integrating the backend, and with the start journey, I will also integrate a map behind this. So it is just a curved line which is showing right now. So I will show a map here. So it will fetch the location where you wanted to go, and it will be showing the map directions. let's see how it goes. I wanted to start integrating the backend and push the app as soon as possible, because I think with the iOS there is a review time for 7 to 15 days for the review for the iOS apps. So I wanted to push the app as soon as possible and get it into the stores. Then I'll be making more iterations to the app and I'll be pushing all the way till the end of the hackathon. So let's keep updated. Stay tuned. See you tomorrow.